Greetings traders, Jason here with SwingHigh.com. It is Monday, November 30th, 2009. Say goodbye to November, and here we are for your halftime report. I'm sorry for not giving you much analysis last week, but I decided to sit last week out for a couple of reasons. Things were looking choppy. We were in consolidation, so it wasn't a great trading environment, especially for a swing trader like me. And also I was on Thanksgiving break from school, so I naturally wanted some freedom in a sense, that I didn't have to sit down and do the analysis, well, mainly because I couldn't, and that's that. So let's take a look at what's going on today. The only major announcement we had today was the Chicago PMI, which came in slightly better than expected. Basically, retail sales are doing pretty well this season, and at the same time, Yahoo Finance is saying that stocks are dropping on holiday spending worries. So investors are worried about the economy and stocks. That shouldn't surprise you at all. It doesn't surprise me. So that's just a bunch of noise. Let's look at the charts. Here we are with SPY, the 5-minute chart. This morning we did open pretty much flat and traded up, found some resistance at the 110 mark, even broke above that for a brief period of time, about 20 minutes to, about 20 minutes we were breaking above that 110 mark, and we came back down, and naturally we're finding support at 109. It's great to see the markets using reacting to the support and resistance lines that we have drawn in here, so that's a good thing. Basically, last week, actually, I'll go to the broader picture in a second. Let's look at the all the markets. SPY is down 0.3%, Diamonds down 0.25%, the Nasdaq down 0.66%, the Russell's down 1%, and the financials up almost a full percent, up 0.8%. This is interesting. We have most of the broader market indexes down while the financials are going up. And if you look at the sector rotations recently, I can pull those up for you. Okay, here I am on finviz.com. It's a great website. It's free. You can look at the past performance, and you see the 3 months financials were the weakest. 1 month performance financials were the weakest. 1 week performance financials were definitely the weakest. So they were giving us a lot of ominous signs, if you will. But now today, they're the strongest, which is strange. But keep in mind that the longer term time frame is most important. So the 3 month trumps the 1 month, which trumps the week, which definitely trumps the day. So we'd have to see a continuation of this trend for a bull sentiment read from that. Okay, so there we go. Let's look at the market internals. The VIX up 2.5%. That's a pretty big move up, especially on Friday. If you noticed, the VIX was up huge on Friday. Look at this pop. We had like a 20% rise in the VIX on Friday. We were at the low 20s, 20.5 most of the week, and then now we're sitting up here above 25. The trend, whoa, that Friday trend is really a little skewed there. We're going to ignore that. Come back here, down to earth. Basically, the trend is more bullish than bearish right now. It's a little neutral though. The tick is pretty much neutral. Let's look at the broader time frame really quick. The daily chart of SPY. Look at this choppy action. We just have gaps after gaps. It is very not pleasant to see this. Although at the same time, this does show some indecision up here. You could consider this as sort of a consolidation, if you will. It's sort of behaving that way. But very choppy, very hard to trade. So I'm glad I sat last week out, and I'm going to sit out for a little bit longer, see what happens up here. I'm very curious to find out. Thanks for being a part of SwingHigh.com, and I'll talk to you later.